I'm gonna go ahead and work on my tomatoes. So what I like to do is I cut my tomatoes into a cross shape at the top. So it'll be a cross shape on the top of each tomato. This is so I can peel it easily later. And the reason why I like to get my skins peeled is because some of those who are on a lectin-free diet need to have their skin peeled for their tomatoes. So I'm gonna put my tomatoes in a pot and then pour hot water into it. And you can see now that once you put hot water into your pot of tomatoes, it'll expand. These tomatoes are just gonna be so delicious. I just can't wait. Alright, so here I am. I'm gonna get the tomatoes out of my pot hot water and into a separate bowl, and I'm gonna start peeling the skin off one by one. I'm noticing that it's so easy to peel off the skin now that it's expanded and it's been in hot water. So peel off the skin. It's super easy process after putting hot water in.